Hello there everyone, my name is Paulo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys and girls, today's going to be a very different style of video, but we have very important news on XRP right now, very important news on Bitcoin that is going to be very controversial, but nonetheless, really wanted to do it in a different style today to mix it up, because today is a beautiful Monday. Look at this incredible view. And I just decided to talk to you about something that literally nobody is talking about in the crypto space right now. Everybody is making predictions, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, etc. And I want to make this video to clarify a few things and to show you how it really is, because I just stumbled upon a very interesting article. By the way, look at our pool. Isn't this crazy to have a pool so high up in the sky? Insane, but this is what crypto can do, guys. So if you're a trader, then don't give up, even if you're not making much money yet, because in the very beginning of my career, I had a lot of problems. So it was very tough. And if I would have given up, I would not be living in a $5 million penthouse these days. So, and by the way, here is what my studio looks like. And this is what you usually see, because the camera is like right here. So, and let me know in the comments right now if you're enjoying this kind of a style of video. So, but anyway, I know that you want some juicy stuff. So let me show it to you, because we're seeing just technically this huge breakout that was obviously right here. But just to be honest, the problem I'm having with this right now is that look at the volume, and it's in the daily chart. So the volume is actually going down right now. So this is not very good. And right now we are facing huge resistance from the EMA ribbon. And remember that the EMA ribbon has always been very important for us. And if we're gonna go to a smaller time frame, then let me just remove the volume, because in the smaller time frame, volume looks very good, but you always have to zoom out and you're gonna see the real story. So let's just go to a smaller time frame, and then we're gonna see this beautiful breakout. So I told you about this in a previous video, that if we're gonna break above, it's gonna be a great longing opportunity. And as for myself, I'll just keep my long trade that I already had. So my long trade right here, focus, about $2,000 in profit, just same one that I had before. And remember, guys and girls, if you want to be trading actively yourself, then trade on Bitget, because they just provided proof of reserves and they are legal in the United States. They don't require a VPN. And if you use my link down below in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment, you can claim all of these bonuses, up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. If you deposit more than $500, you'll get my famous crypto course for absolutely free. And cash back on your trading fees, which is, even if you're a break-even trader, you will still make money at the end of the day, which is insane. So number one, what we have to pay attention to, so getting to very juicy stuff. So stick with me, guys and girls, and as always, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also like the video. So what's very important for us right now is that on the 8th of December, we're gonna see the jobless claims yet again. And the forecast is actually that the jobless claims are gonna increase. So we're really gonna wanna see what's gonna happen, because if it's gonna be more than forecast, then it's gonna be very bullish again, because we're gonna finally see the increase in the unemployment, etc. So that's gonna be very bullish. This is what really the upcoming main event as of right now, which you have to be paying attention to. Now, the next thing which I really want to talk to you about is right here. So Ripple says that SEC has failed to show XRP sales or our investment contract, and they're asking the court to grant summary judgment motion. So right here, Ripple Labs says that SEC hasn't been able to prove that firm's XRP sales were investment contracts. So just long story short, why is this important for us? Because if XRP is gonna win, this is gonna set a huge precedent, right? And this is what we're all waiting for. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this, but this is very, very bullish. Now, when it comes to the stock market, and this is crazy. So basically, the stock market has one bullish factor to lean on heading into 2023. So, and it could help drive a 16% rally next year. And this is what the Bank of America actually says. But what I wanted to really focus on in this video is just to show you how clueless, literally clueless, Wall Street actually is. And if you think about this, Wall Street, Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, billions of dollars, conglomerates, hedge funds. And yes, guys and girls, I know so many people from there, they're fucking clueless. Not all of them. BlackRock probably is not clueless, but most of other ones are pretty freaking clueless. So why? That is, for example, right here, if you're gonna see that Bank of America, in their bull case scenario, sees S&P 500 surging 16% to 4,600 by the end of 2023, But if we're going to take a look at this article, then we're going to see that a number of equity strategists from Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, and Deutsche Bank have all suggested that the S&P 500 could fall to as low as 3,000 sometime next year, representing potential decline of about 26% from current markets. But in whatever bull case scenario for 2023, the S&P 500 could surge 13% to about 4,600 on the idea that Wall Street is way too bearish. So the moral of the story is, and again, like this video and just subscribe, guys, because I'm always trying to be as honest as I possibly can. And I called out Glassnode for complete rubbish and lies in my previous videos. So check it out right here. I'll link it up here, because somebody has to hold them accountable. Their data is good, but the way how they're presenting it in the narrative is just trash. It's garbage, and it's just full of lies, and people will lose money because of it. So, and that's why I'm trying to always be honest with you guys. I know a lot of people from asset management. I know people from Wall Street. I know people who are, pretty big. And quite frankly, I'm always, when I'm on the call with these guys, I'm saying, so are we going to go up or down? People manage billions of dollars or work in the companies that do. And you know what they tell me? Thomas, we have no fucking idea. So their job on Wall Street, and I don't know, I hope I'm not going to get banned on YouTube for this. Their job on Wall Street is to take your money, get their management fee, their 2% or whatever it is that they're charging a year, sell you this concept of this incredible investment, and then hope that it's all gonna go up. And they do their best to make money. But guess what, guys and girls, all these people, Wall Street, all of these, Bank of America, etc. Really, if you look at the statistics of the hugest hedge funds in the world, you will see that recently, especially recently when the times are hard, 95% of hedge funds underperformed S&P 500. So it's just crazy. Really, we're gonna get to the Bitcoin price in just a second. But I just want you to understand this shit. Just understand this, because if you don't understand this stuff, then I don't know what you're doing in trading. Because imagine that most hedge funds in the United States, you would have been better off just buying, S&P 500. Let's go to a weekly chart. You would have been much better off just buying S&P 500 somewhere right here, just yourself, buying the index or, using futures or whatever. You would have been much better than trusting your money to a hedge fund, because they ended up underperforming S&P 500. So the question is, who the fuck is in those hedge funds? What are they doing? And the answer is very simple. This is a mechanism to bring in as much money as possible. Look at ARK Invest. Did you see what happened to the ARK Invest ETF? Cathie Wood is just a scammer who is just making millions for herself from the management fee and whatever it is that she's doing, because the bear market was obvious that it's coming. And investing in all these high-tech stocks at peak prices is idiocy, and using other people's money is just a scam. So, and understanding all of this, us in, for example, our Discord channel, if you want to be a part of our Discord channel, then go down in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment and join us. Because we are actually, guys and girls, doing much better this year than the predominant majority of United States hedge funds. And this is the crazy, and to be honest, quite frankly, it's a sad story that this kind of a financial scam is going on in the world. And I'm telling you, the Wall Street, 95% of Wall Street is just a scam. So right here, you can see the results of our members in our Discord channel. So the United States hedge funds on Wall Street right now are not showing this kind of performance for their investors. Everybody is just bleeding while we're actually making money. And look, I'm just a small influencer on YouTube, and I'm doing better than a United States hedge fund. Go figure. Maybe because I understand what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know. So anyway, let's get to the Bitcoin price. I just wanted to show you guys this truth that, sometimes you're saying, oh, Thomas, you're flip-flopping. Well, even though we're following the market and flip-flopping here and there a little bit, we're still doing much better than United States hedge funds, because these guys, they only know how to take the money, put it into the market, and hope it's going to be an infinite bull market. And that's it. And tell me in the comments if you agree with what I'm saying. And let me know also in the comments if you like this style of a video, because it's a bit different from what I usually do. So when it comes to the trade itself, remember, because we have this up move right now, and it could come to the end, especially seeing that the volume isn't really very much there. So our initial breakout target for this whole wedge right here is, let's see, about $18,000. And our target for, let's have a look, for this breakout, for this small wedge breakout, is basically right here. So that's like 17,600, but we have very important resistance coming in right here at 17,500. So I would be very careful. Just this is very important order block. So if you haven't taken any profits just yet, I would suggest for you to take some profits at this time and just ride along and see how high we're gonna go, because this could be the beginning of this December Santa rally. And again, I'm gonna link a video right here where I actually explained that we're expecting a short-term relief rally, then a huge likelihood of a recession. And if that's gonna happen and Fed pivots too late, we're gonna see a huge dump in the markets, as we always do historically after a recession and during a recession and after Fed pivots. So let me know in the comments if you like this type of a video or you like the previous ones, then I will switch to the previous ones. And as always, go join BitGet right now. All the links down below. Claim all the bonuses. Join me on my free Discord channel. Also check out this crypto tutorial that you know how to take trades in a safe way with proper risk and money management. And as always, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.